Hello everyone and welcome to Yummy Leaks. Today I'm going to give you 5 of my insights, how I see it, to get deeper into the New Orleans guitar rhythm, or to the New Orleans rhythm guitar. The first step is to use 4 downstrokes a la Freddie King. The second step is all the reverse hand movements. When you go up to be ready for the next downstroke, I will use ghost notes like this. The third step is I'm going to tonicize the 2 and 4. For example, the next step is that it's very common to use melodic lines on top of chords. For example, the fifth step is to use bass lines together with the chords, maybe. Rhythm and accompaniment guitar. Of course, it's a very difficult subject and it cannot be done by any video, I believe. It's only a matter of transcription and very inner hearing of players and styles. As you see, there are a lot of books out there for improvisation and solos and licks and whatever, and too little about the accompaniment and mostly about the rhythm of accompaniment. And it's natural because most of them shows the voicings, which are very important to know, the voicings that includes the different styles of jazz eras. But accompaniment really is a complementary to a solist, and at the same time to be tied and together in a conversation with the rhythm section, which is usually the drummer, maybe the other pianist if there is there, other guitarist if there, the bass player, and so on. So everybody, I believe, has his own palette of rhythmic and chord licks, but it's all about the rhythm, and not which exactly rhythms we're going to use, but the attitude of rhythms. That was it, dear friends. I hope you like it. Till next time, we will proceed to another style. Have a nice time and a lot of fun.